Hello, everybody. As you can tell, I am still on jury duty, so unfortunately, I'm not going to be there. However, we're still continuing on. So, last week you were watching me reading the Herodotus text, right? And then what you were supposed to do was go through this, find 5 words that you did not understand, okay? Go back in here, click on the main title of the assignment, and open up your Pathfinder. You're going to copy and paste the words that you don't understand in here. Okay, so let's say begirt. Copy and paste your first word here. And there are a few different ways that you could try and find this. The first one, of course, is to go into Tools and Define. And there were no results there. So if you go back in here, you can go into the Merriam-Webster site. For some reason, this wasn't working for some kids, and I'm not entirely sure why that is. But there, begirt or begird means to surround and encompass. Okay, so copy that, put it next to the definition, and then I would find a picture. So if I look back in the text, when it's talking about how the women wear, they're dressed with a band, and then the men too similarly begirt, meaning that they also were wearing a belt. So maybe I go in here and I type in belt. And if you want, you can actually find the pictures. And let's see, belt. Oops, didn't even have to open that up like that. But right click, copy image, and then hold down the control key and then press the V as in Victor button to paste the picture. Okay? So that's what you need to do for those 5. Once you have done that, the third way, by the way, that you can figure out if you can't find it in Merriam-Webster, the definition, or in the tools, you go to Google and you type define, colon, and then the word, and it'll come up with some different definitions. You can go into dictionary.com. Okay, so that is a good way to be able to do that. Once you have finished this and you have all of your 5 words with the pictures, that's when you go back in here and you're going to open up, you're going to again click on the main title of the assignment, and you're going to be clicking on the Herodotus vocabulary presentation template, because this is where you're going to be creating your presentations. Okay, so you have 5 slides. In the first one, you can type Herodotus, text vocabulary. Okay, you can change the font. I'm not going to do Arial. Maybe Comic Sans. Make it a little bigger. And then I'm going to do my first word. I'm going to go back in. I'm going to highlight this, copy it, paste it, and then I'm going to copy and paste my definition. Okay. Again, change it so that everything looks the same. And then I'm going to put my picture in. So I go in here, hold down the control key, press the C button once to copy, click in here, hold down the control key and press the V as in Victor button, and then you can pop it in. Okay. So see how you can fit it in there. Or you can even, if you click on here, insert image, and search for it. Doesn't fit, and type in belt. Select it, and it'll go to. Okay? You're going to do that for each one. You're going to do slide, new slide. Actually, should do duplicate slide. Slide, duplicate slide. And then just change the picture and change the word and definition until you have all 5 of your words. What you're finally going to wind up with is something that you're going to be recording over. You're going to create a presentation, and that we can do next week, or you can start doing it this week. And then you're going to create the presentation and then record your voice over it using Screencast-O-Matic, okay? So again, once you have finished all your slides, start doing your transitions. Let's see if I can find where this is. It's not going to show up. But if you go in, then you can do the transitioning. Maybe it's not letting me do it because this is a template. And then finally, you're going to record your voice. So any questions, email me. I will try and get to you. And hopefully by next week, everybody will be ready to record. We'll be using the laptops to do that. Okay, so I will speak to you soon.